Dear viewers, today I am going to show you the SiC MOSFET base 1 kilowatt bidirectional DC-DC converter. In this video we have explained boost converter mode. Okay, so three-phase mains is connected to the auto transformer, and the output of the auto transformer is connected to the rectifier, and the output of the rectifier is connected to the input of the boost converter, and the output of boost converter is connected with the load bank. Okay, so this meter shows the output current, and this meter shows the output voltage. This meter shows the input voltage, and here we sense the input current. Okay, and this is the controller. So first we have set the duty ratio 50% and the boost mode, and by pressing this button we have turned on this pulse. Okay, so first you can see here in the boost converter we have given the PWM pulses to the G2, and G1 we have applied the 5 volt. Okay, and internal some circuit are there which will convert this 5 volt into the ground. So at the G1 we have get the 0 volt. Okay, so this switch is off. At that time this diode is conducting. Okay, so inductor, switch, diode, capacitor and load. So you can see here G1 is applied to 5 volt, G2 can apply it as a pulse. Okay, 5 volt and ground. So now turn on the pulses. So by pressing this button we have turned on the pulses. Now you can see switch is on. Okay, at duty cycle 50, and you can see here this is pulses 50 kilohertz pulse. Okay, so now I have turned on the supply and see the performance. Now first turn on the mains. Now turn on the mains, and you can gradually increase the input voltage. Okay, so we have gradually increased the input voltage up to 100 volt. Okay, so DC link voltage is now 100 volt. At duty cycle is 50. So the output of the boost converter is 200 volt around. Okay, so here it is 190 volt, and at this time load is minimum. Okay, so current is minimum. So you can see output current is 0.7 ampere. At the time input current is 1.8. okay, twice, it is twice. Okay, output current is twice to the input current. Okay, input current is twice. So now we will increase the load and see the performance. Okay, so now we will increase the load up to the 5 ampere. Okay, so gradually we will increase the load. So you can see output current is 5.85 ampere, and voltage is 1.87. So the total power is 924 watt. Okay, so now we will gradually increase the voltage. Okay, okay, so input is 103 volt. Input current is 8.6, so input power is 8.9. So now we make a 1 kilowatt system. So you can see here the input voltage is 118 volt. At input current is 8.6 ampere, and output voltage and current is here. So you can see 4.8 ampere output current, and voltage is 211. So output power is around 1 kilowatt. Okay, so this is the boost converter mode with duty ratio 50. Okay, now we will increase the duty ratio to okay, and see the performance. You can see here we will increase the duty ratio up to 62. Okay, now you can see the performance. Okay, so you can see the output voltage and current. Okay, so this is the output voltage and current at the time of input voltage and input current. Okay, and now we will decrease the duty ratio and now you can see the duty ratio is 20%. This is the waveform, and you can see input voltage is 106 volt at 3.7 ampere. So output voltage is 126 at 3 ampere. Okay, so now we will increase up to the 1 kilowatt. So you can see. Okay, so you can see this is the 1 kilowatt system with 20% duty ratio. Okay, so this is the overall function of the BDC with boost converter. Thank you.